IndianAftermarket.com offers a kit to cover your handle grips and your levers in genuine leather. The handle grips are marked left and right. You want to line up the little tabs so that they're vertical, as shown in the picture. Now we will begin stitching. You want the stitch to run across the 5 o'clock position on your hand grip. First you'll begin threading and tie a knot in the first hole, and then begin stitching, bringing the needle in from the outside towards the middle each time. This is the easiest way to stitch, and it leaves a nice crisscross pattern when you're finished. The thread is covered with a wax, so as you pull the stitches tight, they will hold themselves in place and not slip open. When you get towards the end, just run the needle through several times and tuck the thread underneath some stitching, and it will hold itself in place. Now you can install the Indian head nickel concho into the flaps on the end of the grip. IndianAftermarket.com also offers several fringes and feathers that you can add to the end of your grips. All of these accessories are made of high quality leather and will withstand the weather. You might even want to buy several different ones, and you can change the look of your bike. Also, IndianAftermarket.com offers covers for your clutch and brake levers. If anyone out there can stitch this fast, I would really like to hire you. If you like this product, I hope you'll check us out at IndianAftermarket.com and see all of our other products. Thanks.